Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS version on VirtualBox. Go to Ubuntu official website, that is ubuntu.com. Click on download Ubuntu. Then see here we have the desktop, server and other options. In this video I am going to download and install Ubuntu desktop, but the process is same for both desktop and server. So select the desktop and click on Ubuntu desktop. See here we have the Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS. It is the latest version. Click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is 5.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have downloaded by using torrent link. You can also download by using torrent link. Go back. See here we have the checkout our alternative downloads. See here we have the BitTorrent option. Okay, if you want to download by using torrent link, you have to click on this link. So download is going on. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once the download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and install it. See, these are the virtual machines that I have created on my VirtualBox. To create new VirtualBox, click on new or machine and select new. Either is fine. Then give the name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. Drop down, select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Create new folder. Give the name. Select the folder, select it. Now select the downloaded ISO file. Click on drop down, then select other, then select the downloaded desktop ISO file. See here, select it and click on open. Then type, see once we selected this ISO file, change it to Linux, subtype to Ubuntu and version is 64-bit. Then select this checkbox, that is skip unattended installation. Then come to hardware. Here we have to provide the RAM size. I am giving 4 gigabytes, number of processors 2, then hard disk I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Once you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to edit settings of this virtual machine, click on settings or right click on the machine, then settings or machine and settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. To install the Ubuntu 24.04.2 on VirtualBox. Let me maximize it. Close this one. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Ubuntu, and hit enter. See, if you want to use testing purpose or temporary purpose, you can close this one or use. But if you want to install permanently, click on this install Ubuntu or click on this icon, that is install Ubuntu 24.04.2. So click on install Ubuntu. Select the language and click on next. Next. Select keyboard layout. I am going with English US. Click on next. See, connect to the internet. Do not connect or use wide connection. Then click on next. See here, try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. So I want to install permanently. So select install Ubuntu. Then click on next. Interactive installation only. Click on next. See here we have to select the apps. Default selection or extended selection. I am going with the defaults only. Click on next. Install recommended proprietary software. If you want to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi, you have to select. Download and install support for additional media formats. You have to select these checkboxes. It is up to you. Okay. Then click on next. How do you want to install Ubuntu? See, this is the fresh installation, so I am selecting erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click on next. Now we have to create or set up the user. So provide the user full name, and this will be the computer name and host name. You can change this later also. Then this will be the username. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then keep the checkbox, that is require my password to login, and use Active Directory. I don't have any Active Directory, so unselect it and click on next. Select the time zone. See, you can select from this drop down list. You can search from here, or you can select time zone on this globe. See, if you select on the globe, it changes the values here. Okay, so I'm going with the default, so click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you want to edit or modify any one of them, you have to click on this back and you can edit and you can come forward. Then you have to click on next to come to this screen. See, this is the preview. Okay, ready to install, so click on install. See, installation has been started. This may take time. I'm pausing this video, and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. After reboot, we will perform the post installation steps. Okay, in meantime, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See, we have successfully installed Ubuntu 24.04.2. So click on restart now. See here the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay, now go to VirtualBox. See here the secondary device, that is optical drive, is empty. If you found ISO file here, then you have to click on here and remove the disk from the virtual drive. Okay, so no need to do any action because it is empty. So go to virtual machine and click on this virtual machine and hit enter. Now click on username and provide the password that we have set. Click on next. Select skip for now for the Ubuntu Pro and click on skip. I don't want to share system data, so click on next. All done, click on finish. Now open terminal. Let me increase the part. Now verify the version that we have installed, /etc os-release. See, we have installed Ubuntu 24.04.2. Okay, and its code name is Noble Numbet. Okay, see, code name is Noble. Okay, the first step after connecting to Ubuntu Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. See, all are updated. Okay, Control A. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS version on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.